What's up, team? So I'm doing a quick case study on AUDUSD. So basically what I was looking for a trade into this 1 hour unmitigated supply area and then to go lower into the unmitigated demand area. So as you can see, price made some downtrend moves right here. So we had a lower low, higher low, and another lower low. Then we made a new lower high. So, and here price made a new higher low, then a higher high, and a higher low. The interesting part with this is when we look at the 1 hour chart, you can see an unmitigated area right here. But if you go on the 1 hour chart and then we zoom a bit out, we go up here, you can only see this area that I marked off right here. It's a bit weak. So this area that is unmitigated, this one got mitigated right here. Same goes to here. Almost everything is mitigated besides this area. Potentially, price could push through this supply area because we have also a lot of liquidity that is sitting above this area right here. So I was looking for a buy trade into this supply area and then for a potential rollover to then look for shorts. But if we don't see any short potential, I will just ride this to the upside into this unmitigated supply area. So basically, let's go to the lower time frame, going to the one, jumping straight into the 1 minute time frame. So as you can see, structure and order flow is clearly to the upside. We had here some minor order blocks, and I was aiming for entries at here, 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 and I got tagged in on this one, and also here. So let's delete this one and just focus on this area right here. So pretty simple. So I was looking for a trade into the 15-minute order block or 1 hour order block, and what I was looking at was this when I set my order. So I placed my order right now. Give me a second. Is this one? No, okay, let's forget about it. So I set my order when price was around about here in this area. Then I was waiting for price to come into the area. And as you can see, price made some liquidity right here. Price swept that liquidity and took me into this trade. And also price made a little bit of liquidity above these areas, not equal highs, above these highs, and then took them out. And basically at this stage of the trade, I moved my stop loss to this area because I like to manage my trades pretty aggressively when I trade into an order block. So I put my stop loss into that position, and so price moved to the upside once again. And now you could argue why I didn't put my stop loss at this point right there, because for me this is not a super clean break of structure. If there would be another candle that would look like this, then I would move my stop loss to here. But as you can see, price didn't make a 1 pip break of structure or something like this, and not even close. Like, that's not even a pip. So I didn't move my stop loss to the upside right there, and I was potentially looking for price to come back into this area to mitigate that order block, to then push off into this higher time frame order block. So when I saw this order block, I moved my stop loss a bit below, just to be in profit, 1% profit, and then price could come back into this area and push into the 1 hour order block. But the reason why I didn't took this trade is because I only tend to take a trade into the order block once. I don't like to scale in because I think that's the best for my emotions and for me, and that's why I don't took this trade right there. So pretty simple. Price came back down, took me out. At this point I had a 1 pip profit, 1% profit, sorry about that. And now price, I don't know what it's doing now, but price is now at this point potentially came down to mitigate this area, but as you can see it didn't touch in, so basically it could go down into this area again, but I already took a trade on this move and I don't take more trades to the upside right now. So I'm looking for shorts from this area, and if you don't see any shorts, I'm looking for some longs into this area right there. So I think I talked about everything that I wanted to talk about, and yeah, that's my first case study. Don't be too hard with me. Did my first time. I was doing this my first time, and also English is my first language. And yeah, but I love the case studies chat, and I love to make these videos. I noticed already. So yeah, many more to come, hopefully.